Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day today. My name is Devin. I am the DIY lawn coach. So today I just want to take a quick second. I've got a little bit of some orchard grass in my backyard I want to take care of. And so guys, I know it can be really easy to try to reach for a chemical to try to take care of your problems, but today I'm just going to use the old shovel and we're going to throw down some dirt, a little bit of grass seed just to fill that in. So this is the same method that I take to remove orchard grass, but also if you've got any low spots in your lawn, every time you mow, the mower dips down and scalps your grass. This is a great way to do this too. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me real quick. Hit that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. And yeah, let's get into it. All right guys, so I've got you back here in my backyard and I've got this ugly looking patch of orchard grass. And so there's no selective herbicide that we can apply to take care of this. The only option you have with this is to use a non-selective herbicide like Roundup. So today, rather than put down a chemical, I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to dig this out. And then I've got some black cow topsoil that we're going to put down and cover up the hole. And we're going to put down some grass seed. I've got my GCI Spreader Elite grass seed we're going to put over this. And then in about a week or so, we'll see germination and this spot will be filled in. So this is a great option if you've got, like I said, a weed that you can't, selectively get rid of. This is a great option. This is the same process that I use if I've got a low spot in the lawn. So we're going to fill that in. We're going to level it out, put down some grass seed, and yeah, so let's go. All right, so I'm going to start by just kind of digging out around the roots here. Just kind of lifting it up. Take it out just kind of one section at a time. Make sure we get down, below the roots. This thing will pop right out. It's very satisfying to get rid of this weed. I hate orchard grass. What's that? You see, we've got a little bit of good fescue in here still, so we're going to try to leave that behind. Got one little patch left. There we go. It's all but gone. Okay. All right. So we don't want to leave a hole in the lawn like that. So again, what I've got is some black cow topsoil. We're going to sprinkle that over the top here. Fill in the hole. And really breaking this up. So I don't want to leave big clumps. All right. Kind of pack it in. Real good. Okay. And then I've got my GCI Turf Spreader Elite grass seed. Okay, we're just going to come back and put some grass seed. Yeah, I go a little heavy. That's all right. And we're going to work that kind of into the ground, just like that. And then we're going to water this twice a day for the next 5 or 6 days. And we'll have new grass. So it's really that easy. So if you walking around your lawn, you see orchard grass or a weed that you're trying to get rid of, you don't always have to reach for a chemical. Sometimes the old manual way is the way to go. So appreciate you guys joining me today. Hit that like button, click subscribe, check out my website, thediylawncoach.com for more details, and can't wait to see you guys in lawn.